Well, we're off.
Anniversary weekend.
Let's go. 1 year in the books. Leaving East County here. Heading to Prescott for the evening. And off to Jerome and Sedona. We're super pumped. Ready, baby?
Yep. Ow!
Pit stop here, observation point in Glamis. Catching the sunset. Beautiful out here. Right? Well, just woke up here a little bit ago, getting packed up. This was our little campsite for the night. Pretty chill here in Prescott. We're off Wolf Creek Road here. A little close to the road, but we came in late, about 11 o'clock last night. Just needed a place to rest our heads. Woke up to this beautiful view. Now on into Prescott, Jerome and Sedona. Let's go. Taking a little break. Went and checked out town of Prescott earlier and had a drink at the Birdcage Saloon. Now we're on our way to Jerome, taking a little pit stop, looking at this valley. Beautiful trees. Has some fall colors going on. Beautiful day. All right, baby?
What?
It's beautiful, right?
It is. The sun feels great.
It does. Feels nice. Well, we made it to our camp spot here on top of Schnebley Hill. Schnebley. Got the truck all leveled out. And we got this epic view that you can't really see right now because the sun is in our eyes, but in a few minutes it's going to look epic. Woke up to this beautiful view. I don't think it gets any more epic than this. Had a perfect little camp spot last night. Got some eggs going. Platform worked out as always. Got some people coming up already. Schnebley Hill is a little bit bumpier than I remember 17 years ago. But still a beautiful spot. Well, we're about to head out. We enjoyed this beautiful spot here at Schnebley. Great little single spot right here on the cliff. You can see Schnebley Road's right down there. The Jeep, the Schnebley Hill lookout right there. We didn't get much or any footage coming up Schnebley. It's a little more rough than I remember, but still a fun trail, no big deal. And a high clearance 4-wheel drive. Tender did good. Now we're gonna head down and hit Soldier Pass and check out the 7 Sacred Pools and Devil's Kitchen and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Thank you, Schnebley, for the wonderful views. We're here at Merry-Go-Round Rock, about halfway down Schnebley. Epic views, as you can see. A lot of Jeep tours here. Voices you're hearing in the background. We are at the Devil's Kitchen right now. Pretty cool little site here. Beautiful views. We are on Soldier Pass. We were lucky enough to get one of 16 off-road passes for the day. We're the only vehicle up here. And it's been a fun, tight trail. Definitely tight for the tundra. Having a good time. Great when you got passes, you get out. Here's us. Open the gate here. Boom, boom. Woo.
That's how we do it, baby.
That's right. No one else on this trail other than Jeep Tours. We didn't see one other vehicle. So we are about halfway to Cathedral Rock here at a stopping point. It was pretty sketchy coming up.
Very.
She did very well though. How about even halfway, the views up here are pretty epic. Very highly trafficked though, as you can hear all the voices of hundreds of people on this trail. They are. Everyone's helping one another, making it easier. But we out here. We doing it. Oh man. the secret spot at Cathedral here. It's pretty narrow. You can steep. Now you can hear some cackles up there. That was cool. Oh wow.
Okay, so we're here at the creek, but we saw the swimming hole with our binoculars when we were at the very top of Cathedral Rock, and these girls that we met told us how to get here. So now we're here.
And enjoying it, having a good time.